Hello, today I'm going to show you how to take apart the map light assembly. If you go to change your light bulb and say the bulb is stuck, maybe it melted or it's just swollen and it won't come out and you need to replace that, you have to go to these Torx screws. There's 4 of them around the map light assembly. And this is a T10. It's a T10 Torx driver. Take off the 4 screws. So now you lift up, so now you're on the inside. See how the bulb doesn't come out? So you can pull the bulb out. You can put the new bulb in. Just realign the connector. Put the bulb holder back in. Put the socket back in. It looked like maybe it's melted. Put the socket back in. So we've got it back in. So we'll just put our new bulb. You can just push it in from the inside. So we got the new bulb in. Put the assembly back together. Just 4 screws. Tighten down all 4 screws. Since I took it down, you have to put in this wire connector. Goes right here. And this wire connector goes right here. Just push those back in, they just snap into place. We got 1, we got 2. So if you're having problems getting the bulbs out of the map light assembly, they should just screw off and pull out. But if they're melted and you can't get them out, just take off those 4 Torx screws and you'll be good to go. This is for a 2008 Ford F-150. Thanks for watching.